Keleher & Co. and welcome to our listing at 85 Lockerbie Crescent in Collingwood. This is a great 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom family home in the Mountaincroft neighborhood. Let's take a look. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom Camden model home hosts a spacious front entrance leading into a bright open concept family room, kitchen, and dining area perfect for entertaining. The second floor boasts 3 spacious bedrooms, a convenient laundry room, large primary bedroom with a generous walk-in closet, and a 5-piece ensuite. The large premium backyard awaits your design and provides many opportunities for additional outdoor living space. Located within walking distance to the trail system, schools, and only minutes to downtown, beaches, golf courses, and the ski hills. Thanks for taking the tour. Please call the Keleher team if you have any questions.